Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking how much free space you have and which folders use the most space. Open Settings System Storage now. Once done, empty the recycle bin and run disk cleanup including system files to remove temporary Windows Update files. Next, uninstall apps you no longer use from Control Panel or Settings. This frees large program folders. Make sure to close apps first and note any licenses you may need to reinstall later. Now dig into folders that silently eat space. Clear downloads and temporary files manually or enable Storage Sense for automated cleanups. Run a disk analyzer like WinDirstat or Tree Size to spot huge folders and duplicate files so you can decide what to delete or move. Once identified, move media and archives to an external drive or cloud storage to reclaim space while preserving data. Also consider compressing. Finalize by adjusting system settings that reserve large files. Reduce system restore space or delete old points, and disable hibernation if you do not use it to remove the hyperfill. SYS file. Once done, run Storage Sense or a final disk cleanup to confirm reclaimed space. If things go wrong and space doesn't appear freed, run chkdsk and sfc to repair file system issues. Make sure to reboot after repairs and verify freed space in storage settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.